A very good morning, students. Let us start with the new chapter. Chapter number 5, the state government. So far, we have already studied about the national government or central government, or also known as union government. And we have studied about three main branches of union government, that is legislature, executive, and judiciary. Legislature make laws, executive implement laws, and judiciary provide justice. So today we're going to talk about the state government. Our country has a federal setup. What is federal? That means our country has two levels. One, the central level, and one, the state level. Central level is also known as union government or state government. So there are two levels, union government or central government and state government. So in this chapter we are going to talk about the state government. Indian federal system, formation of constituent states, state legislature structure of it. Let's begin. Here it is Indian federal system. As I spoke about, there are two levels. One, central government and state government. In central level government, you have president as the head, and state government there is governor. There are three main sections in central government and also in state government. Those are same: legislature, executive, and judiciary. State government में भी same होते हैं, legislature, executive, and judiciary. In legislature there are two, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In state government legislature there is Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, which is also known as Legislative Assembly, Legislative Council. Executive में there is Prime Minister and Council of Minister. In state government chart, in executive there is Chief Minister. Chief Minister means who? Mukhyamantri and Council of Minister. In judiciary, here you have Supreme Court and High Court. And in state government, you have High Court and lower courts. So I want you all to copy this chart in your notebook. So today we are going to talk about the state government. We have already finished about the union government or central government. Now from this we are going to talk about state government. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट स्टेट्स. नाउ हाउ वर द स्टेट्स फॉर्म? स्टेट कैसे बनाए गए? नाउ आवर इंडिया इज मल्टी कल्चरल पॉपुलेशन. देयर आर सो मेनी कल्चर, लैंग्वेजेस, रिलीजन एक्सेट्रा. So it would be not possible to govern the country from one centralized power. So दिल्ली से हम नहीं रूल कर सकते सब कुछ सेंट्रल से. So that is the reason it was necessary to divide according to the languages. So states were divided according to the languages. Linguistic distribution took place and our constitution has adopted federal setup for India. It was decided to form the state basis on languages. So Maharashtra mein Marathi, Gujarat Gujarati, Punjab Punjabi. So these states were divided according to the language. Except in Jammu and Kashmir, the nature of government machinery is same in all the states. So sab jagah, all the states, it is same. Next, state legislature. Maharashtra has a bicameral legislature having legislative assembly and legislative council. So हमारे महाराष्ट्र स्टेट में दो हैं, that is विधान सभा and विधान परिषद. The members of the state legislature are known as MLA, members of legislative assembly, and members of legislative council are known as MLC. Here is the chart of it. Same like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Here also the things are same. Let's see. Status, लोअर हाउस एंड इट इज़ द अपर हाउस. जैसे कि लोकसभा भी लोअर हाउस था लेकिन वो फर्स्ट हाउस था, और राज्यसभा अपर हाउस था लेकिन वो सेकंड हाउस. सो हियर ऑल्सो विधानसभा इज द लोअर हाउस एंड Vidhan Parishad is the upper house. There are 288 members here and there are 78 members in Vidhan Parishad. Citizen of India, 25 years of age completed and he should be from Maharashtra. अगर आपको इलेक्शन में खड़ा रहना है तो you should have 25 years for Vidhan Sabha and 30 years for Vidhan Parishad. Election, directly elected by the people. So we elect the people. Some seats are reserved for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes. So जो backward class है उनके लिए भी reserved है. Governor nominates one member of Anglo-Indian community if required. And here indirectly elected following ways: disguised personality of nominated governor, इलेक्टेड मेंबर ऑफ एमएलए. सो एमएलए में जो इलेक्टेड होके आए मतलब मेंबर्स ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में जो विधानसभा में चुनाव करके उनसे ही कुछ लिए जाते हैं, कुछ एजुकेटेड लोकल गवर्नमेंट से लेते हैं, इंस्टीट्यूट से एजुकेटेड टीचर्स दे टेक एजुकेटेड इलेक्टेड फ्रॉम ग्रेजुएट कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी. सो एवरी फील्ड they select one just like health minister is there, education minister is there. So हर एक फैकल्टी से एक एक इलेक्टेड होते हैं. टेन्योर इज 5 years एंड अपर हाउस दैट इज विधान परिषद इज द परमानेंट हाउस. Tenure of every member is 6 years. Specific numbers of members retire every 2 years. कुछ लोग every 2 साल में रिटायर होते हैं. Election of the speaker, there is speaker and the deputy speaker, chairman and deputy chairman. Power of the speaker, उसके क्या अथॉरिटी है, राइट्स क्या है? सुपरवाइज ओवर द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ विधानसभा, ऑर्डर होते हैं, कंडक्ट्स प्रोसीडिंग, डिसिप्लिन मैनर एंड कैन सस्पेंड मिसबिहेवियर. अगर कुछ गलत काम करते हैं तो उनको सीधा हटाया जाता है, सस्पेंड करना. प्रोसीडिंग्स ऑफ विधान परिषद आर कंडक्टेड अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ चेयरमैन. यहाँ पे स्पीकर के बारे में देर आर 3 सेशंस हेल्ड ऑफ विधान सभा. 3 मीटिंग्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज बजट सेशन, सेकेंड दिस इज अबाउट विधान सभा दैट इज द काउंसिल ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली दैट इज विधान सभा. 3 मीटिंग्स होते हैं. वन इज बजट सेशन, अदर इज मॉनसून सेशन जो कि मुंबई में ही होता है, एंड थर्ड इज द विंटर सेशन विच इज हेल्ड इन द नागपुर. आई होप दिस पार्ट इज क्लियर टू यू. रिमेनिंग पार्ट विल बी डूइंग इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू राइट दिस चार्ट. Draw the chart in your notebook. Thank you students. Stay safe.